Hi all, welcome again. Today we will learn rules to find all factors of a given integer. Also, we will see how to find all factors of 8, 16 and 7. First, let us see the rules. Here, treat the given number as a dividend. Step 1. Start dividing the given number by natural numbers beginning from 1. Step 2. Stop if the divisor is greater than the quotient and do not consider the divisor and quotient of this step because the divisor and quotient will begin to reverse or repeat. Step 3. If the division is exact, collect all unique divisors and the quotients. These are the factors of the given number. Got it? Let us understand these rules with an example. Example: find all factors of 8. As per the rule, the given number becomes the dividend. Step 1. Start dividing the given number by natural numbers beginning from 1. Here, when we divide 8 by 1, we get 8 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 1, which is not greater than the quotient 8. So, move on to next step. Here, when we divide 8 by 2, we get 4 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 2, which is not greater than the quotient 4. So, move on to next step. Here, when we divide 8 by 3, we get 2 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 3, which is greater than the quotient 2. So, stop here. This is the second step. Stop if the divisor is greater than the quotient and do not consider the divisor and the quotient of this step. Now, move on to third step. If the division is exact, collect all unique divisors and quotients. These are the factors of a given number. In this example, the division is exact in the first step as well as in the second step. Therefore, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Got it? We stop when the divisor is greater than the quotient, because after this point the divisor and the quotient will begin to repeat or reverse. In this case, the factors 2 and 4 are repeated. Got it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.